Hey guys, I'm making my mama's famous chili. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little family recipe. I got the beans in there, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, and 4 celery stalks. I already made the hamburger meat, so that's ready to go. I got the chili sauce, diced tomatoes, lots of tomatoes. 2 packets of Chillo mix. I love Chillo mix. And I got some crushed red pepper to make it spicy. And of course some chili seasoning, as well as my other special seasonings in there as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yay. Alrighty, let's get started. I'm going to start by putting the meat in that I already have made. I'm gonna go ahead and just dump that all in there like so. Ooh, it's heavy. Go ahead and sprinkle all that in there. All that yummy, yummy goodness. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes. That's 1. 2. 3 big old huge cans. Alrighty, and I'm gonna add my Chillo mix next. Alright, I'm hoping both these bad boys together at the same dang time. There we are. Uh-oh. Not as easy as I thought it would be. Doing twice the work. That's better. Alrighty. Dump those bad boys in there. I have the eye on low, so it's simmering. And clean that mess up. Alrighty, dighty. I'm gonna add my chili sauce right on in there. It's kind of thick, so the second one. Quick and easy, throw everything together. Sometimes I like to put water in there, so I'm gonna put a little water. Put a little water in there, shake it on up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Add that, shake this one. There we go, like so. Bam, bam. Clean that up. It's important that we clean as we go, guys. Alrighty, I'm gonna add a little bit of the chili seasoning. Okay, and I'm gonna add my crushed red pepper. Love it to be spicy. 'Tis the season. It's gonna be like 20 degrees today. I'm gonna make sure we are enjoying our dinner. So let's get a look at it. Put everything in there. Go ahead and give it a big stir to mix all of that stuff together. Yeah, mix everything together. There we go, like so. Ooh, it's looking good already. All right, so I'm gonna add a cup of water. Ooh, it's very hard to stir. All those good yummy ingredients and vegetables. Yeah, get my water. I'm gonna just use 2 cups because I have a lot of beans in there. Yeah, I got a lot of beans in there. I got a big family. I may even add 1 more cup, actually. Yeah. This is the first time I made this much. Look at that. Mmm. Yay. So I'm gonna add another cup. Another cup. There we go. That looks more like the consistency I'm looking for. Yes, 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 yes. Do the figure 8. I'm gonna do the figure 8 stir. Get the sides, push everything down. And I'm just gonna let that simmer. Cook that. And this is what it looks like now that I put a little more water in there. And I'm just gonna let that simmer down and we'll look at it later. Give it about 30 minutes. So I added more water and a little more seasoning because it's still a little thick. I've never made this much before. So I'm gonna add more water. Add more water and more spices to make sure it has a nice, wonderful kick. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, chili is not supposed to be thick, so yeah, that's about right. That's so much better. All right, and then I'm gonna add, let's see, take another picture of it. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little more salt. And more seasoning to it, and I'm just gonna put the top on there and let it simmer for about an hour.